be showing you guys how to make a paper Valentine's Day special pop-up card. So this is a very easy way of making a paper Valentine's Day special pop-up card, and it is useful too. So you can give this card to your boyfriends, your friends and family members, and your brothers and sisters, and even your father for Valentine's Day. So this is also a very easy way of making a paper Valentine's Day card and can be used in many ways. So it will be done in a horizontal way, and after we open it, we'll get a popping up heart like this. So I just wrote a small message on the top, and I just stuck a few hearts over here, and I just drew some few marker lines and designs over here. So at the last, I just drew two hearts over here, and I wrote to and from. So you guys can write whoever you're going to be gifting it to, and you can write your name over here at the from. So now without any further delay, let's get started, and we'll be seeing how to make this very cute and beautiful Valentine's Day pop-up card. So for this activity, we should choose two color papers. So for this, you guys can see that I choose like light red over here and pink like this. So now I'm just going to be taking light red and pink as well. So one color should be chosen for the color of the card, and other color should be chosen for the sticking over here and designs over here. So for this one, I'm just going to be making the card in red color, light red like this. And I'm just going to be using this one for decorating and doing other things. So I'm just going to be folding this paper in half, as this is my card, like this. So please do it properly so you'll get a good output. So after we fold it in half, I'm going to be taking a scissor, and I'm going to be slowly cutting this paper over here like this. Now I'm going to be leaving some space over here, and I'm cutting this paper from this side over here. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be opening this part, and I'm going to be pushing this paper from the back like this, so that it will come front over here. So as soon as it comes front, I'm just going to be pushing it gently like this, and I'm going to be pressing it over here, and I'm going to be pushing it to the bottom part like this. So now I'm just going to be taking this paper, and I'm folding it on top of it, and I'm just going to be pressing it slowly like this. So now as you guys see, as it comes out, this part will come open over here. So like this. So after we complete this, main part of the card is ready. So now the last main part for this one is decoration. So now I'm just going to be cutting out a heart to stick over here for the card. So you guys can use a pencil to draw the heart if you like. I'm just going to be cutting it out like this. So I'm good at cutting out hearts, so I'm just cutting it, I'm going straight into work. So if you guys feel that you need any practice, you just draw it in a pencil or a marker, and then you can cut it out slowly. So please be careful while using a scissor, because there are many incidents in which small children cut their fingers. So I'm just going to be cutting it over here since it's too big and floppy. I'm just going to be cutting it over here as well. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be sticking this over here for the card. So I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle, and I'm going to be applying some glue over here slowly like this. Now I'm just going to be taking this part over here, and I'm sticking it over here. So to the top like this, so it should not go beyond this line over here, and I'm folding it to see if the size is perfect. So you guys should take it in a perfect size or it won't turn out well. So if you do it in a bigger size, then it will come out like this and it won't look nice. So now we've completed all this, and now I'm just going to be starting with the decoration. So before that, I'm just going to be sticking some paper over here to make it look more nice. So I'm just going to be cutting out a small rectangular piece of paper like this, and I'm going to be sticking it over here. This is just for decoration, so you guys do not have to do it if you don't like it. So I'm just going to be sticking it over here, applying some glue at the corner part of this paper, and I'm slowly sticking it here. So you guys can use the same color paper for sticking it, but I'm just going to be using a different one to make it look more designful and beautiful and nice. So now I'm just going to be taking a dark pink marker, and I'm going to be writing Happy Valentine's Day. So as you guys see in this one, I gave like more layers like this. So I just wrote it in one color over here, and I just did it in two more layers. So I used light pink and red. So it's not compulsory, you guys have to do that. Now I'm just going to be using one layer. So in case you're going to be doing multiple layers, you should do it like, you should give a lot of space. And if you write H here, you should write A over here, P, P, Y like this. But if you're going to be making it one layer, you can write close to it. So I'm just going to be writing Happy, Happy like this, and I'm going to be writing Valentine's Day from over here to make it more nice and beautiful. So I'm writing apostrophe S. So over here I'm going to be writing day over here, the bottom part, slowly like this, D-A-Y. So I think you all know how to spell day. So after we write Happy Valentine's Day, I'm just going to be putting a few decorations over here. So I'm just going to be writing over, I'm just going to be not writing, I'm just going to be drawing a few lines like this, like gems things over here for decoration around here. And I'm going to be taking a purple marker now, and I'm just going to be drawing a small heart over here, and over here. And I'm going to be repeating the same step on the side as well. So now I'm just going to be doing a few more decorations over here. So I'm just going to be coloring in this heart using pink color marker over here. And at last, I'm just going to be taking this red marker again, and I'm going to be drawing a big circle, a big heart in over here at the top part. Now I'm just going to be taking a black marker. So I'm taking a bold marker, so you guys can take a black sketch if you like. And I'm just going to be drawing like a small structure like this, and I'm just going to be drawing it over here as well. So it's just for like a flowerish look on the heart. So it's not compulsory, you guys can do it if you like. And I'm going to be giving a small outline on top of the red hearting over here. So it's complete over here, the front part. So you guys can take a pen and write more decorations over here. So I'm just going to be writing enjoy your day at the top like this. So I just wrote enjoy over here, and I'm going to be writing your and day at the bottom over here. So now I'm just going to be drawing a few hearts over here at the bottom too. So 1 and 2 over here. And I'm going to be drawing 1 and 2 over here. And at last, one big heart on the top part in the center of this one like this. So now we can move on to the middle part. So before that, I'm just going to be writing Happy Valentine's Day one more time over here at this part that we made specially. So you guys, I'm just going to be making a simple design. So you guys can use any of your creativity skills and you can design this. So I'm just writing Happy Valentine's Day. I'm decorating it. So if you're going to be doing it for your mom or father or your mom or dad, you can just write Happy Valentine's Day mom, Happy Valentine's Day dad, or you can move on like that. So I'm just going to be making it as a common card. So I'm just going to be writing it like this. So if you're going to be making it personally for someone, you could definitely decorate it in your own wish. Now at last, I'm just going to be drawing another small heart over here at this part. Now let's move on to the center. So as you guys see, we have the heart over here that we made. Now I'm just going to be sticking a few more small hearts like this. So I'm going to be cutting out a rectangular piece of paper like this. I'm going to be folding it one time like this. And I'm going to be folding it one more time over here. And I'm going to be turning this paper over this side, and I'm going to be folding it one more time like this. So now we can cut anything out, and we'll get 8 parts since we cut it out many times. So I'm just going to be cutting out a small heart like this. So if you guys feel it hard, you can just cut it like into 4 pieces and 4. But if you are strong enough, or you can ask your adults help, and you could just cut it out in 8 pieces slowly like that. So I'm just going to be cutting it out, and now I'm just going to be cutting it to the bottom part, or it will stick together. So just do it slowly, and now I'm just going to be opening it. Sometimes it might stick together like this, and you guys can just push it open over here. So I'm just going to be counting it. So we have 4 pieces like this, and we have 5, 6, 7 and 8. So now I'm just going to be writing a small message on the top part of the card. So I'm just going to be writing Happy Valentine's Day and enjoy your day. So you guys can write anything you like. So I don't know what to write, so I'm just going to be writing this. So if you're going to be gifting it to your friends and family members, you can write anything, a sweet message to them. Valentine's Day and enjoy your day. That's it. So if you guys see in this one I made, I just wrote wish you a very happy Valentine's Day, enjoy your day. So you guys can add any words to it and do anything you like. So now I'm just going to be turning it over here, and I'm going to be sticking a few heartings that we made. So before that, I'm just going to be taking this paper to the corner part over here, and I'm just going to be writing to, and I'm going to be writing from. So if you guys want, you can just draw, as you see in this one, I just drew 2 hearts in front of this. You guys can do any modifications onto this as well. So you can also stick this pink paper over here, so that this part over here won't be blank. It's your wish. So as you guys see, we have pink over here, so you can also do it over here as well. So you can even stick one more layer of paper over here and this heart like that, and make it more beautiful. I'm just going to be keeping it simple. I'm just going to be applying some glue over here. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So I'll just do small 8 like dots over here, and I'm going to be sticking 1 over here, 2 over here. So if you guys want, you can even write sweet messages on the center of this heart. So you can stick more hearts and write sweet messages if you like. So I'm just going to be sticking it over here and one more over here at this bottom part. Now we only need to stick 2 more. So as you guys see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. I'm going to be sticking 7 over here and 8 over here. So you can even stick it in this pattern like this. So it's your creativity and you can design it any way you like. So I'm just going to give you guys an outline. So at last, I'm just going to be writing Happy Valentine's Day on this part like this. Happy Valentine's Day. So I don't have much space here. So I'm just going to be making it simple. Valentine's Day. So you can write more messages over here, and I'm just going to be taking a red marker and I'm just going to be drawing like this at the top part over here on top of a few like this, and I'm just going to be taking another marker and I'm going to be doing it over here. So if you guys want, and if this part shows up what you write in the front comes in the back part, you can just take another paper like this and you can stick it over here so that this part does not show. So for example, if you write something on the marker and it shows over here, you can take a pink paper and you can stick it on the top so that to hide that. So I'm just going to be drawing a few more like this all around the paper. So this is for just if you open it to make it look nice and beautiful and pretty. I'm just going to be drawing these things over here. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be drawing a big heart at the top part. So as you guys see, I do it using a marker over here. Here I'm just going to make it simple, and at last I'm going to turn it to the back and I'm going to be writing my name over here. So you guys can write your name. So I'm just going to be writing it simply like this. You guys can put more decorations in over here, and you could write who you're going to be giving this to over here as 2. So now I'm just going to be drawing a small heart over here, and I'm going to be writing Happy Valentine's Day one more time, and I'm just going to be writing a few more sentences over here. And I'm just going to be writing Happy Valentine's Day and meet you soon. That's it. So you guys can write anything you wish to write over here. So for this, I'm just going to be writing it to mom because I'm going to be giving this Valentine's Day card to my mom. So I'm just going to be turning it over here, and as I said, I'm just going to be giving guys one more tooth around this, and over here we have the front part. If we open it, we'll get this one, and after we turn it out, we'll get these 2 structures over here. So you guys can write anything you like to who you're going to be gifting it to over here. So after we complete this, our paper card for Valentine's Day, a pop-up card for Valentine's Day is ready. So as I said, this is a very easy way of making a paper Valentine's Day pop-up card, and it is useful too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching, and also please watch all the videos in my channel and also subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. And keep watching my channel and share it to all your friends and families members. Thank you for watching. Bye!